Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. This is Prity and I hope you all are enjoying this festive season. So in today's video, I am going to swatch some lip shades that you can try for this festive season. So first, I'm gonna swatch under 500 rupees wale lipsticks. Then I'll swatch 1000 rupees wale lipsticks. Under 1000 rupees wale lipsticks. So guys, these are my personal favorites and ये किसी भी outfit के साथ, किसी भी makeup look के साथ बहुत अच्छे से suit करता है. So guys, you have to watch this video. Without further ado, let's get started. On number 1, I have Smudge Me Not liquid lipstick from Sugar and the shade is Wooded by Nude. It's a beautiful peachy nude shade, guys, that will give you a gorgeous yet understated lip. This color is suitable for every skin tone. It doesn't feel patchy or dry on the lips and it stays nicely for around 6 or 7 hours. You should definitely try this lipstick. Next, I have from Maybelline in the range of Creamy Matte and I have 3 shades from their range that will go with any makeup look, especially for bold eye look, like bold smoky eye look, because these are nude shades. So first I have Nude Nuance, a beautiful brownish pink nude shade. It doesn't wash out any skin tone. It requires only 1 or 2 swipes for the perfect color payoff. And second, I have Touch of Nude. I really love the formulation of this lipstick, guys. It's a beautiful baby pink color, guys. And the third one is Touch of Spice. It's a beautiful mauvey brown nude shade. Such may you need to try these shades, guys, for this festive season. On number 3, again I have from Maybelline, the color show Creamy Matte Lip Color and the shade is Bold Crimson. It's a beautiful deep red color, guys. Trust me, you wanna like this shade. Next I have from Lakme, Matte Liquid Lip Color and the shade is Nude Twist. On number 5, I have Maybelline Color Show Intense Crayon and the shade is Dark Chocolate. It's a beautiful burgundy brown color. This will look warm on people having warm undertone. The staying power is about 4 to 6 hours. Next, I have from Sugar Nothing Else Matter a Longwear lipstick and I have 2 shades from their range, guys. I really love Sugar's lipstick. I love their formulation, I love their color, I love their everything. So the first shade is Scarlet Letter. It's a beautiful red color to wear for festive events. Can you see the color, guys? The second shade is Rose Job. This is a very unique shade that I absolutely love. On number 8, I have Vast London Non-Transfer Liquid Lip Cream. It's a Chinese brand. They have a beautiful shades in this range. Though इस पे shade name नहीं है, but there is a number written over here. The number is 122. Such a beautiful magenta color. Next, I have the Nykaa Matte Liquid Lipstick and the shade is Jhumki. It's a liquid lipstick which is runny in texture. On number 10, I have Sugar Lipstick in the range of Matte Attack Transfer Proof Lipstick. I have 3 shades from their range, guys. Next, I have Lakme 9 to 5 Weightless Matte Mousse Lip and Cheek Color and the shade is Plum Feather. On number 12, I have Sugar X Wonder Woman Everlasting Matte. It's a non-sticky and non-drying lipstick. बहुत ही soft सा powdery matte formula है इसका. Must have lipstick in the festive season. Then I have the Kiro Beauty Non-Stop Airy Matte Liquid Lip. I have 2 shades from this range. It's a beautiful brown shade, will suits all skin tone from fair to medium. So the second shade I have is Tropical Fuchsia. It's a beautiful fuchsia pink color, guys. And lastly, I have from K Beauty Matte Lipstick and the shade is Teaser. It's a beautiful peachy brown shade which will looks good on every skin tone and it doesn't feel heavy on lips. So yeah, that's it for today's video. I really hope that you will enjoy these swatches and recommendation for the festive season. If you really like this video, then please do like, share and subscribe to my channel. Thank you for watching and yeah, obviously I will share their links in the description box so that you can buy from there. I'll see you in my next video. Till then, take care, bye bye. Thank you for watching and please don't forget to subscribe my channel.